Eurodollar logging its ninth straight day of upward momentum, something we've seen only 3 times in the last 2 decades. Dollar's a little bit wobbly against the euro. Euro sucking in capital like a black hole. And technical traders, they're watching one key level, 118, the figure to 118.20. So it's actually 2 key figures, 2 key levels. All right. So meanwhile, U.S. political tension is rising a bit. Thursday's NFP could flip this chart upside down. We're keeping an eye on the DAX, or the U.S. dollar index. So is this going to be a breakout continuation, or we due for a really hard reset? Let's break it all down. Welcome back, everyone. Tom here from Park Avenue Trading, your chief dealer, keeping you sane in these absolutely insane markets. If you like what you see, smash the like button, hit subscribe, share my videos far and wide. I want to build a huge trading community. I can't do it without you. All right, so right now, Eurodollar sitting right above 117.35, trading at 117.40 right now. We had a slight retrace down to the 116.80 level, where this congestion phase right here on the 4-hour chart is holding the euro dollar kind of steady right now. So what I'm looking for, if I'm a euro dollar bull, what I'll be looking for is the euro dollar actually breaking up above 118, the figure, and then 2 consecutive highs right after would show that the breakout is good, and the stop would need to be about 116.80. So this whole congestion area right now is holding up for euro dollar bulls. All right, so we had a slight dip in sterling yen. Now sterling yen starting to recover, dollar yen also, but I'll be covering that in my other videos. But right now, price has cleared 8 straight day closes in the green. Rare stuff. Immediate resistance, 118.10, a level that has capped bulls before. Pullback zones, 117 the figure, 116.80, and potentially 116.20 if sentiment shifts. Now, if we look at the U.S. dollar index, okay, with the U.S. dollar index, let's just fatten it up a little bit so we can see what the heck is going on here. Oh, let's get rid of that thing. I don't need that thing. Where is that guy? I got to always remember to switch over to my little crosshair here, or else I'll have problems. So here we go. We got a technical level at 94.42. Now, if the euro dollar picks up steam and sterling dollar picks up steam, we could actually see this happen. And if dollar yen kind of stays stable, so we actually see the continuing push as the U.S. dollar index down, which would create further bullish tendencies in the euro dollar itself. So keep your eye on the U.S. dollar index. It's an important indicator directly related to the euro dollar itself. So right now, as we stand, let's see what's going on as we stand in the euro dollar. I want to get rid of this arrow. That's really bugging me. I don't want that. I want this. Get rid of it. All right, forget it. Doesn't want to do it. I won't mess with it. Right now, as we stand, we made the high at 1753 so far. Really? Okay, let's see here. Yeah, 1753 has been of this range. So it's got to hold 17. I'm gonna come down to this low right here, 116.94. This is the first warning level. If it breaks that, we're heading back down towards those lower levels that I just mentioned to you. Now we got a couple of things that we have to look out for. We got massive capital inflows into Europe, over 100 billion this year alone. So big guys positioning themselves for, I don't know what, in the Eurozone. They really haven't had much growth, but something's brewing there, and I really just don't know. U.S. policy gridlock has made markets nervous, especially with this delayed tax package and trade tensions heating up. We got that July 9th point that we have to look at for the euro. If Trump comes out and says, you know what, no, tariffs are X, he could send this marketplace into a turmoil, whereas people flee to the dollar again and push the euro dollar low. I think the market is actually just trying to position itself for that. It's a little leery. The dollar is wobbly, but it could gain strength quite quickly. That would create, trade tensions again, could create this going back up, sending the euro dollar back down to that 116.20 level. So we just got to be cautious of all this nonsense that could happen. As you know, Trump likes to say things in order to basically, throw the marketplace into turmoil so that he can actually create a better trade deal for himself. So that's something that we have to be on the lookout for, as Trump could possibly do that. He's been known to do that stuff. So what else we got brewing? We got NFP coming out this week on Thursday. The consensus is 129K. A miss could crush the dollar. So a miss could actually send people flooding into the Eurozone. We got comments coming from Powell or Lagarde could be very pivotal as well. And of course, as I just said, the July 9th marks the deadline for the tentative U.S. trade deal, major volatility risk. So if you think the euro dollar keeps running hot, or we're setting up for a rug pull, drop your comments. I read every single one of them. Don't forget, here's our major points for the day. 166. I'm gonna say like 166.9, 116.90, 166. What the freak is wrong with me? I'm gonna go right there. 116.90. A breakout above this top. We would need 2 consecutive upward pushes to try to get through the 118 or 2 if we spike up through it, which I don't think is really happening today. I think it's kind of quiet. The marketplace is quiet. I think you got to pay more attention to the crosses. So if you like what you see, please give a like and subscribe. Don't forget to go over to Park Avenue Trading. Get yourself a free ebook where I talk about price breakouts and I cover all that stuff. It's a really good little book. Look forward to seeing you in tomorrow's video. And remember, always, as a short-term trader, enjoy the party, but dance near the door. Cheers.